Hello dear student, today is session 2 in chapter 1 tangent and circles. In this session we'll talk about the distance between centers and the relative position of two circles. First of all, we'll make small record from grade 8 that two circles can have no points of intersection, have one point of intersection, and have 2 points in common. Exterior circles. The first rule is about the exterior circles. Exterior circle, as we see in this figure, these two circles don't have any common point. They are called exterior. As we see, OO prime, the length of OO prime is greater than the addition of two radii. That's mean R, which is the radius of the first circle C, and R prime, the radius of C prime. So OO prime, as we see here, is greater than R plus R prime. For example, let's say OO prime equal 10 centimeter. So it's greater than, for example, the first radius, which is 3, and the second radius is 2. So the addition of them is 5. So directly 10 is greater than 5. So it's exterior circle. Okay, now this is an activity. Draw a segment AB of length 6 centimeter. Draw two circles of center A, radius 3, and C prime, center B, and radius 2. Then tell me what is the relative position of two circles with justification. First of all, I draw segment AB, then draw the first circle, center A and radius 3. Then I draw second circle, which is C prime of radius 2 centimeter. Then, as we see, the length of AB is greater than the addition of two radii, which is 6 greater than 5, so the two circles are exterior. Now, interior circles. As we see, also there is no common point between these two circles, but here they are interior, not exterior, as we see in this figure, and OO prime is less than the subtraction of two radii. That's mean OO prime is less than R minus R prime. Remark, if the two centers O and O prime are coincide on each other, that means the two circles are called concentric. Now, circle tangent externally. As we see in this figure, there is only one common point, which is point A, and these two circles have only one common point. They are called externally tangent, and the rule of it, OO prime, which is equal to the addition of two radii, R plus R prime, and the common point A is called point of tangency. It's on the line OO prime. Now the circle that are tangent internally. As we see in this figure, these two circles have only one common point, which is A also, and they called internally tangent, and length OO prime, the small one, this one, is equal to the subtraction of two radii. That's mean R minus R prime. A is the point of tangency also. Now, secant circle. These two circles have two common points, which is I and J here. Okay, they are called secant. They are called secant, and the length OO prime is between, as we see here, the rule is between the subtraction of two radii and the addition of them. That's mean R minus R prime less than OO prime less than the addition R plus R prime, and this length IJ is called common chord of two circles. It's called common chords. This is an activity. You should solve it and send me privately. You should draw segment AB 6 centimeter and let M be the midpoint of AB. Then draw two circles C, center M, radius 2.5, and C prime, radius M, center arm and radius 2 centimeter. Then tell me what the relative position between two circles. And thank you, dears.